Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to adjust brightness on Windows 10. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first of all guys, there are three ways you can adjust the brightness in Windows 10. The first one is you can adjust the brightness by using your monitor. So in my case I'm using LG monitor, so there is a button provided by LG and which I can use to adjust my brightness. So I just have to press that button and I can move that button towards left, right, up, down. So I just have to press the button, then I will get this kind of window where I have to go to just menu, and here I will get the option as brightness. So I can just adjust the brightness by using this small button. If I shift the button towards the right, the brightness will get increase, and if I get the button towards the left side, brightness will get decrease. So this is how you can use the monitor's options. If the first way is not working for you, you can try the second way. In the second way, you just have to hit right click on the start button, then go to settings, and here click on system, and then here you have to click on display, and then you can find the option as make everything clear, but the option is not visible here because I'm using PC. But if you have laptop, you can see the option as make everything brighter, and from there you can just increase your brightness or decrease your brightness. And as well as you can go to this notification bar, and here you can find the option for brightness, but this is also available in laptop. So yeah guys, this is the way you can increase or decrease the brightness in Windows 10. If your problem is solved, you can subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.